Hi everyone, this is Noah. I'm a secondary educational math teacher and I'm also an ed tech student, and I'm here today to show you a little bit about Google Docs, specifically Google Docs and uploading, creating a file, and saving a document to a computer, as well as sharing a document with other people. Reason I'm doing this screencast today is because so many teachers share resources and collaborate together, and since many teachers already have docs created, for instance through Microsoft Word, it's a good idea to be able to use Google Docs to upload those already created files and then be able to share those as well as to collaborate and work on those at the same time. So I'm already in Google Docs. I'm not going to show you how to get into Google Docs and create a Gmail account. You should already be able to do that on your own, and hopefully once you have that, I just want to show you a couple quick things. First, I want to show you how to upload a file that you've already created. So over here on the left side where it says upload, I'm going to click on upload. And notice that I'm on my new page. It first of all tells me how many megabytes of storage I've used. Currently Google offers 1024 megabytes. You can add storage. I believe there's a fee for that. You can drag files into this region here. Usually what I just do is I click on select files to update. And what happens is, in whatever type of computer you have, if you're a Mac user, it'll be Finder. If you are a PC user, your My Computer will pop up. So I'm going to go to my documents. I'll pick a school. I'll just do an Algebra 1 quiz. If I can find it right here, 13.1 to 13.3. So I'll double click on that. That'll show up right here. And then I have some options. What I can do is I can convert documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and drawings to the corresponding Google Doc format. I suggest that you do that just so that it's reformatting basically whatever format it's in currently into Google Docs. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Usually when I'm going to be collaborating with somebody, I tend to do that. And then secondly, it says convert text from PDF or image files to Google Docs documents. Currently this file is already a doc, so I don't need to do that. So I'm going to just hit start upload. Shouldn't take very long at all. And now that I'm done, when I click on that, I should be able to see the quiz that was already created. And notice that I didn't show you how the quiz looked before, but this is almost basically exactly how it looked like originally in the original document. So now what I can do is I can share this with somebody else. And up here on the top right corner, if I click on this arrow, down arrow, share, I can go to my share settings. Right now, it's set to private, and that means that only I can see it below. I can add somebody. Right here I can type in an email to add somebody to. I can choose them from my contacts if I have contacts. And then I can also change their editing privileges. So if I want them to be able to edit, such as different teachers, I can click on Can Edit. If I only want them to view it, let's say this is a document I only want to share with parents, I can just click Can View. You can send a copy to yourself as well. You can paste an item, paste the item itself into an email. So when you open the email, it'll be right there, and then you can also send email notifications to the person saying that you've shared it with them, which I always suggest doing because otherwise the person doesn't necessarily know that you have shared a document with them. So I can change this setting if I want. If I click on change, then that means that anyone in the public on the web can view it. I can do this. Second choice is anyone with the link, so I can literally just email a link and whoever clicks on that link can see it. Or I can say private, and which means, again, only those people that I have chosen can see the document. So I'll just add my professor. And now he can, I'll click share, and I will click that he cannot edit because I only want him to view this. I don't want him to be able to edit this because he really has nothing to do with collaborating with this. So now I can see that he will edit it. He should receive an email saying that he can not edit it, excuse me, but just view it. So if I go back to, or actually I can just close this out, and if I go back to my documents, I can either click on upload more files, or I can go back to my Google Docs. And here I am back in the Google Docs. You can also share directly from here. Here's all my stuff right now that's in my Madonna folder. If I want to share this document right here, I can click on this specific document. I can go to the share settings, and then I should be able to share either as an email attachment, or I can check my share settings just like I did from the document earlier. Another option for not only for sharing or uploading, but if I create a document in here that I don't already have on my hard drive on my computer, and if I want to download it, I could click on that, and then I can go to More Actions up here on the top right. And if I drag down to where it says Export and I hit Export, it'll come up as, in this case, since it's a spreadsheet, I can download it as a spreadsheet to Microsoft Excel. I can also save it as a PDF, or I can do don't download if I want, or I can open as an Office spreadsheet. What I would suggest is just a Microsoft Excel document. If you click download on that, a little screen comes up, and again, depending on what computer you have, I'm running a Mac. If you have a PC, a different computer will come up, but you can just save the file. Once I click that, my default is that it saves in my documents, or excuse me, in my downloads. So down here in my downloads, I can see that that document has been downloaded. And then from there, you can save it wherever you want. Since another option is if I wanted to, let's say I wanted to share this document, which is a Word file. If I go to More Actions and Export again, this time I'm going to get more options, and the reason I'm getting more options is because it's a Word file, you have more options as to what type of file you want to save it. You can actually save it as an HTML if for some reason you're doing some kind of HTML code. PDF is also nice again, but usually most people just want to do a Microsoft Word. Some formats only read RTF, so an RTF is also an option. So it's very nice because you can not only upload your current documents, but you can also, once you create a document in here in Google Docs, you can then go ahead and download it to your computer. So Google Docs is good for a lot of reasons. Again, one reason is that you can upload created files that you already have, which a lot of teachers already have those. You can save the documents to the computer that you've created in Google Docs, and you can also share it with your fellow collaborators. Again, this is Noah Salter, and I hope what I've done today has helped you learn a little bit more about Google Docs.